In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to create an event on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to head over to linkedin.com and then you're going to go over to this option events. So once you click on that option events, you're going to be redirected to a page like this. Here you can see all the events which are happening. But let's say you want to create your own event, so you can just click on create an event and then you can upload a cover image. So by cover image I mean these images like these, so the cover images. So you'll have to upload a cover image, then you'll have to decide whether your event is online or in person. In my case it's gonna be online, so I'm just gonna choose online, and then you can put the event name. So let's say it's something about a podcast or something like that, so you can just put whatever it is about. You can put your time zone, the start time and the ending time, and then you can put an external event link. So by this I mean a link which can give more information about the event or something like that. Then you can detail describe your event on this section right here. So you can say what is it about, who is going to be there, what are you going to be talking about. And then lastly, you can add speakers, so some people who are specially going to listen and you who you are inviting, so you can just add their names here. So that's how you create an event. Then you can click on next, and then you can just give a bit more info about your events, so because you'll be sharing it as a post, and then you can click on post and your event will be successfully created. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.